us know that Michael Phelps is the most prolific athlete in the history of Olympics, winning a record 23 gold medals. In his 200-meter solo butterfly event at 2016 Olympics, he won the gold medal by a time difference of 0.04 seconds. In fact, the time difference between him and the athlete who was last in the event was only 3.5 seconds. That's the value of time. A fraction of a second is the difference between a legend and someone who's lost in anonymity. Before we jump into understanding the value of time, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get live notifications of my new videos. Now, for a moment, imagine that your bank credits your account with $86,400 every single morning for the rest of your life. Yes, you get $86,400 every single day. The only catch is that any unspent money in the account will not be carried over to the next day. It will be deleted before the next $86,400 are credited to your account. Now my question to you is, what will you do with this bank account? My logical mind tells me that we should withdraw and spend every single dollar of this money before the day ends. Otherwise it will be gone, isn't it? For all of us, we have this bank called time. Every morning we get a credit of 86,400 seconds to our credit. Whether we invest in this time in positive and good purpose activities or we just waste this time. Every night the clock is set to 0. If we fail to use the daily credit to the fullest, the balance disappears without any rollback. And that is the reason wise people say that we should live in the now. The universal law is that there is a time to be born and a set time to die. In between, there is finite time. Hence, we need to be mindful and spend every second of our time very wisely. Spend time with people who make you happy and enable you to grow. Spend time on activities that you're passionate about and that you like doing. Spend time with yourself and be true to who you are. Spend time finding your purpose and then aligning your actions with it. And lastly, do not compromise in life. Thanks friends for your time and make sure to subscribe.